Okay, MT-07 chain adjustment. Once you've adjusted the chain, you need to check that you've got the right tension on the chain. To do this, it's quite simple. All you need to do is find yourself a lump of metal that weighs £3, because you need to apply £3 force. Put a crocodile clip on it, clip it onto the chain just at the end of where the chain guard finishes, just there. And then you measure from where the chain guard finishes there to the centre of the link, and it should be 51mm or 2 inches. So that's up at the chain guard there, and then there we measure 50mm or 2 inches to the centre of the link. That's how you check chain adjustment.